Hello students, in today's session we are going to discuss about transmission modes. First we will discuss what is transmission mode. The transmission mode defines the direction of signal flow between two connected devices. There are three modes of transmission. First one is simplex mode, second one is half duplex mode, and the third one is full duplex mode. The primary difference between the three modes of transmission is that the simplex mode of transmission, the communication is unidirectional or one way. Whereas in half duplex, the mode of transmission, the communication is two directional, but the channel is interchangeable. On the other hand, in full duplex mode of transmission, the communication is bidirectional or two-way, and the channel is used by both of the connected devices simultaneously. Next, we will discuss what is simplex system. In simplex transmission mode, the communication between sender and the receiver occurs in only one direction. The sender can only send the data and the receiver can only receive the data. The receiver cannot reply to the sender. In simplex transmission can be thought of one-way road in which the traffic travels only in one direction. No vehicle coming from the opposite direction is allowed to drive through. Means the simplex transmission mode is unidirectionally nature because communication takes place only in one direction. Next, next example for simplex system is keyboard monitor relationship. The keyboard can only send the input to the monitor and the monitor can only receive the input and display it on the screen. The monitor cannot reply or send any feedback to the keyboard. Next transmission mode is half duplex transmission mode. The communication between sender and receiver occurs in both the direction in half duplex transmission, but only one at a time. The sender and receiver can both send and receive the information, but only one is allowed to send at any given time. Means in half duplex communication system, the communication takes place in both the direction, but not simultaneously. So, half duplex is still considered a one-way road in which a vehicle traveling in opposite direction of the traffic has to wait till the road is empty before it can pass through. For example, in walkie-talkie, the speaker at both the end can speak, but they have to speak one by one. They cannot speak simultaneously. So, walkie-talkie is the best example of half duplex transmission system. Next, next transmission mode is full duplex transmission mode. In full duplex transmission mode, the communication between sender and receiver can occur simultaneously. The sender and the receiver can both transmit and receive at same time. Next point, full duplex transmission mode is like a two-way road in which traffic can flow in both the direction at same time. For example, the telephone system is the best example of full duplex transmission system. In telephone conversation, two people communicate and both are free to speak and listen at same time. Next, we will see the exact comparison between simplex, half duplex and full duplex transmission mode. On the basis of type of communication, exchange of data, performance and advantages, we will compare these modes. On the basis of type of communication, in simplex type of communication, the communication takes place in only one direction. So such a type of system is called as unidirectional system. Whereas in a half duplex system, the type of communication is used is bidirectional, and in full duplex type of transmission, the type of communication is bidirectional in nature because we can able to send and receive data in both the direction simultaneously. Next, in simplex type of system, the sender can only send the data but cannot receive back. But in half duplex type of system, sender can send as well as receive data, but one at a time. In full duplex type of system, sender can send and receive data but simultaneously. Means we have to remember that in half duplex system, the communication does not take place simultaneously, and in full duplex type of system, the communication takes place simultaneously in both the direction. The performance of the simplex system is less while the performance of the half duplex system is better and the performance of the full duplex system is best. Next point is advantages. The advantages of simplex systems are it uses the entire capacity of the channel to send the data in one direction. So it is used when the maximum bandwidth is required during the transmission. Next, we will discuss the advantages of half duplex system. It is used to conserve bandwidth as only a single communication channel is needed, which is shared alternately between the two directions. Next, advantages of full duplex system. It is used when the communication in both the direction is required all at the time without any delay. In next lecture, we will discuss what is electromagnetic spectrum.